Hello friends, I'm Rishabh and today we have with us Kajal. She has got offer from two companies, that is TCS and Wipro. So firstly, thank you Kajal for taking out your time to share your interview experience with us. So today we will be discussing about the placement procedure for TCS. I will also be uploading the experience for the placement procedure with Wipro in the next video, so do subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss an update. So let's start. So Kajal, can you please tell us about yourself?
Yes, firstly, hello, Rishabh, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. Hello, friends. I am Kajal Sondiye, and currently I am pursuing BTech. I'm a final year student, and just Rishabh said, I got two placements. Yes, that's all.
So my next question is, how was your college life? Was it like the place where the people, the all the students are nerds, or was it kind of chill place?
Okay, so my college is Devgiri College, like in Aurangabad. It is like a second school, so you have to attend lectures daily, like compulsory. But I am the kind of person like backbencher, so I enjoyed my life, my college life a lot. Like when I got placed, every teacher's like, Kajal, you got placed, because I am a backbencher. So, but I enjoyed my college life a lot.
So how did you actually apply for a TCS?
Okay, so like everyone, my dream company is also TCS. So when I got here, they are selecting for my 202 batch. So I just take it seriously and like immediately start preparation. There I watch YouTube videos first, like what the process of applying and all.
Yeah.
In August, I heard about that they are hiring us. Then I fill up all the forms and applied for it, and like I search all the syllabus related to it, and I totally watched single video related to TCS. Like I I was like कि मेरे को तो select होना ही है. So and best thing that the YouTube videos helps us a lot.
Yeah.
Like they told us every single thing, like how to apply or how to do things.
Yeah. So what actually did you prepare for? Like there were some books or only just YouTube videos?
No, YouTube videos also there. Like I preferred PDFs through Google's. Like
Okay.
I prefer particular topic wise. Like I learn through particular topic wise. Like there are five sections because TCS conduct NQT exam.
Okay.
So that in that NQT exam, NQT is a national qualified test. So there are
Oh,
five sections in that. First one is numerical ability, second one is logical, third one is verbal, fourth one is coding, and fifth one is hands-on coding. So like there are various sections. So
okay.
I learn through various sections.
Okay. So you basically searched topic wise and then saw those
Yeah,
videos.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So after this round, what was the other interview process?
So when we cleared NQT first stage, so after second stage is interview process. And there are also three teachers, like three panels, TR, MR, and HR.
Okay.
So we have to clear all three rounds.
Okay. So what happens in this round? Like what are these basically? Can you please share in the detail about these rounds?
Okay, yes. Firstly, I want to tell more about from starting like NQT.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Yes. So it is of 180 minutes exam. In that means topic wise, like particular question have 1.5 minute only.
Okay.
Okay, so numerical ability has I will tell you in detail. Numerical ability, the first section is 40 minutes of 26 questions, and like
Okay.
you can understand like 40 minutes and 26 questions. Like one question have 1 minute and 1.5 minute, and like second section is logical, like 50 minutes and 30 questions. So we have to manage our time, like how we fastly solve.
Okay.
So and third one is verbal. So I want to tell all the students like verbal and logical is the easiest part. Like if
Okay.
you know the logic, you can solve within a 30 seconds. Like one of the questions is like in 10 seconds. Like it is that kind of easy.
Okay.
Like numerical part is some hard, like there is a time and work percentage simple interest, like
Mm-hmm.
formulas kind of section is that. So we need to remember formulas, so it take time a lot. But the other
Okay.
two sections are very easy, like that are the scoring sections.
Okay.
So I was very confident about my two sections. Like I can easily give that I can solve any question. But first one is little bit hard, and the fourth one is coding. Like there are 15 minutes and 10 questions on all kind of MCQ coding.
Okay.
Like four options are there. Any kind of subject like C, C++, Python, and we need to
So,
solve that in 15 minutes.
so
And the
can you
last
choose your
section
language,
was,
or so my question is, can you
yeah,
choose your
yeah.
language?
No. In MCQ coding, we can't choose our language, but
So you need
in
to
the
know.
last section,
So you need to know
huh,
all these
yeah.
languages. Okay.
Yeah. Means basic knowledge. They ask basic things like in MCQ coding, but
Yeah.
at the last section, there was two coding questions. But we have choice. Like we whatever we have comfort zone, we can solve anything. So
Okay.
there are two hands-on questions. Like first is of 15 minutes, and second is of 30 minutes. Like
Okay.
45 minutes of for both. So
Okay.
the this means the cons of this NQT was the timing. Like
Okay.
1.5 minute is very less for numerical ability for solving
Uh,
question. Like when I was giving my NQT, I'm solving, and when I saw at upside and time was gone. Like this is the situation at my time.
okay.
So we need to time our time management skill is must at this time.
And how was the coding round? Like 45 minutes, were they enough, or you need to like manage time
Like
there also?
the first question was only 15 minutes, so
Yeah.
that's the difficult. Means मुझे तो टाइम भी नहीं मिला, लाइक मेरा तो क्वेश्चन वो सॉल्व ही नहीं हुआ, लाइक स्किप हो गया.
अच्छा.
सो सो जो सेकंड क्वेश्चन था वो मुझसे सॉल्व हुआ, पर उसका भी बस एक ही केस सॉल्व हुआ था, लाइक 2 केस सॉल्व होने चाहिए.
अच्छा.
That's the thing. So like NQT, once you clear NQT, then it's quite easy, like because you gain that confidence, like I can do this. If
Mm-hmm.
I can clear NQT, then I can definitely crack my interview. So the
Yeah.
very important is first stage only.
Okay. So then after after these rounds, what's the procedure? Like how many rounds? Like only one
Okay,
interview round? Like,
like no, when so after when I give my NQT on 18th September, and
okay.
after that 1 October I got my interview. Like you are selected for interview.
Okay.
So after that on 8 October, um, they conduct my interview. Like when I was entering in interview, there are 3 panels, like HR, TR, and MR. TR conducted only on technical rounds, MR
Okay.
means managerial round, and third one HR means HR. Like so TR asked me all the questions related to my resume. Like I want to suggest everyone, like whatever you are expert or what you know, only mention that things on resume. Like they
Okay.
ask you only on basis on your resume.
Okay.
They like I ask you nothing means so it's like you mention all the things and you don't know answer, so it's uh, bad for yourself now. So I like to suggest that. So TR asked me related to my projects, like they only mainly focus on projects like academic projects whatever we have done. So he asked me about my projects mainly, and then after that he asked me languages question, like you know Python or you know Java, you know JavaScript. So I answered all the question, but lastly he asked me difference between Java and JavaScript because I am from ENTC branch, so I don't know about that. So I politely said, "Sir, I don't." If you don't know anything, you can say directly to them. Like I said, "Sir, I don't know. So, I will learn that." So he said, "Okay." Like if you don't know, you can say directly no to them.
Okay.
So he asked all the technical questions. So just say stay calm and confident. Like they only saw confidence in particular student. Like from my thought, if your skills are lagging, they will understand, but your confidence needs to be high.
Okay.
And after that managerial round was there. So he asked me all the means situation based questions, like what you preferred, teamwork, or how you manage in teamwork, like leadership, what you know about leadership, like situation. He gave me one situation, like how you handle this, means you are doing important work, like how you handle. They are managerial round was all about situation, like they check your mindset. So don't hurry, like just calmly answer, because it's a quite easy question, but at that time we thought it was difficult, but it's a kind of easy questions. And hr mainly I want to suggest, like whenever you're applying for any company, like search it on Google, because HR ask everything related to company itself. She asked me like when was TCS founded, who is the CEO of TCS, and
Okay.
did you search TCS on Google, like said what is the key features of TCS, like what is the skills needed for student for applying TCS. Like I have searched that already, because I saw YouTube videos in that they told already, like because I know this thing. So I want to suggest all the students who, whenever you are applying, like or get all the information of that particular company, like it is very useful.
Okay. So at the end, like if a person is applying for TCS, where should he prepare from? Like, is there any specific book or specific YouTube videos or channels?
Okay, so I preferred India Big's website. Like it is
Okay.
the best website. Like there is a all kind of questions, like easy to basic to advanced. Like every kind of question is there. Like after that, toppers.com, Java T-point.com, Geeks for Geeks. These are the websites. These are very helpful, and there are all kind of questions. Like I told you that TCS questions come from these only, just a fresh question. Like uh, numbers are different, but same kind of questions are there. So just prepare from India Bix. This is the best and best website.
Okay. Thank you, Kajal. So, guys, I will be also uploading her experience with the placement procedure for Wipro in the next video. So do subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss that update. So thank you, Kajal, for taking out your time.
Thank you.